Welcome back. Thank you for staying with CNN News 18. Now shifting focus to some international news, a New York appeals court judge on Tuesday rejected US President-elect Donald Trump's request to delay this week's sentencing in his hush money case. Now Trump is scheduled to be sentenced on Friday after being convicted by a New York jury in May of 34 counts of falsifying business records to cover up a hush money payment to porn star Stormy Daniels. I'm now joined by my colleague Akansha Swarup. Akansha, very good morning to you. A very crucial decision that has been taken by this court in New York where they have rejected Donald Trump's appeal. What kind of ramification will this have considering Donald Trump is all set to return to the White House?
Absolutely. Now, we are learning right now, Sherin, is that the New York judge just on Tuesday has rejected Trump's latest attempt to postpone the sentencing. There's going to be a pause in the hush money criminal case. And the hearing will happen on Friday as had scheduled. But as you rightly said, Donald had appealed that it should not happen considering that he's all set to enter the White House. Now, we all know that his office has also argued that, there should be no jail term for an incoming president. And that he should be granted presidential immunity, which also extends to president-elect. This is what the attorney had, in fact, argued. They have said that Trump's election meant that the justice who's been overlooking the entire case should, in fact, have no choice but to dismiss Donald Trump's case and even set aside his conviction. But it's extremely clear that there will be no jail term for the U.S. president, even though he pleaded not guilty and denied any wrongdoing. His lawyers are filing an appeal that should halt the criminal proceedings in the New York case, in the future. But as of now, what has been also clearly outlined is that there will be no jail term for the president. So we'll have to see how the Friday hearing actually shapes up. The sentencing has, as you all know, Sherin, has been repeatedly delayed and also because of the presidential election, and Donald Trump's attempt to have the case thrown out is on the basis of presidential immunity. So how far can that presidential immunity help him? For now, we know that there will be no jail term.
All right. Akansha, I request you to please stay with us as we are getting more breaking